Cover crops died away until recently, when interest became apparent that we needed to help prevent soil erosion, and not only just through no-till, that we had to have other means of doing that. So there's a lot more interest that developed. But then in the last few years, the attention has shifted even to improving soil health. How can having these cover crops growing improve the health of the soil? And this is combining the biological, chemical properties together to improve the physical properties of the soil. And one of the ways that cover crops do this is that they enhance microbial growth, and as a result they help hold the soil together as forming aggregate stability and other physical properties of soil. I like to let the cover crops do their thing, because I want to be able to fix nitrogen. I want to have the biomass produced by the cover crop to help build the soil, not only organic matter, but also to improve those soil health properties that we've been talking about, including soil water infiltration and aeration. That's incredibly important. What we like to do is that we like to plant the corn or the soybeans directly into the cover crop, into the standing cover crops. One of the other benefits that cover crops have given us is that reducing some of our herbicide tolerant weeds, particularly those that come up in the early spring or in the fall. I'm thinking about mare's tail and giant ragweed. Both of those weeds here in central Missouri have become real problems because they are glyphosate tolerant. Having a cover crop on the ground beforehand in the fall and in the spring helps. It doesn't eliminate, but it helps reduce the competition from those weeds, because they provide competition and light and block out the light penetration, so those seeds can't germinate. And we have shown, especially in a corn soybean rotation, that we have less of these problem weeds when we have a cover crop involved, especially when we have a cereal crop such as cereal rye or triticale.